Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now select this plus at the bottom left corner, misclick, and tap on Files section to add an audio file. Now you can look for it over here by tapping on Audio filter in Recent Files, or select one of those apps and look for it in them. If you wish to, you can also tap on those three lines at the top left corner and access one of those sources, like downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. To add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Look for your video over here, or click on Gallery, hold it from here, from this section, and then if it's too large, click on Trim and adjust it. When you finished, click on Done. Now you can finally click on it and tap on Add at the top right corner. You can also click on Gallery, select Folders and look for your video over here the same way as an audio file. Then hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to trim it and add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!